Wording.
What is up?
System sound volume set to 0% period.
Mother fucking cup, stop moving. Okay, so that's really far back. Anyways, what's up, everyone? I'm your host, Cool Tease, with a brand new video. I'm gonna be reviewing a bunch of different popcorn. It's 3 different flavors. One I like to call gender reveal popcorn because it's pink and blue and it tastes like cotton candy. And I can't remember the other 2 flavors. But here's the piece. Pretty good sized pieces of popcorn. So let's give them a try. Don't mind the dog in the background. She's mad because she's in the kennel. Potty training her and she pottied in the house and she's not happy. Actually, it's pretty sweet. This is gonna be the last piece, but here's another piece. Like, these are some pretty big pieces of popcorn. You know, and real quick, I do want to give a quick, huge shout out and thank you to the 3 members that are here. I don't want to butcher this name, but shout out to Jay. Thank you for subscribing to Tier 1. You'll be the first to see this. Shout out to the CEO. Thank you for subscribing. No. Shout out to No Touchy. Thank you for subscribing to Tier 2. And shout out to CEO. Thank you for subscribing to Tier 3. You guys will be the first to see this video. Honestly, it kind of reminds me of the Halloween popcorn balls that get given out every year. Brings back childhood memories. But only the good, happy memories, not that other kind. Have this popcorn for about 2 weeks, and it's not stale. So that's going into the rating. The fact that it reminds me of a Halloween tree, that's going into this rating. I wish I knew where we got it. Because then I'd tell you. But I don't know where we got it. That's actually some pretty good popcorn. 5 out of 5. All I know is I got it from the Ziploc bag. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to membership so you can be one of the first to see this video too. Anyways, I'm gonna upload this and I'm not gonna edit. Fuck that. I'll catch y'all in the next stream.
Back button. Window navigation.